Meet the TETON pivot arm cot. Not only are they comfortable, they're tough. In fact, they're the toughest cots we've ever made. How tough, you may ask? Tough enough to withstand 99 monkeys jumping on the bed. Tough enough to support over 600 pounds of fresh-cut lumber. Tough enough to hold up against an MVP linebacker. Tough enough to hold up a 5-time sumo wrestling champion. And tough enough to withstand a Bigfoot attack. The TETON pivot arm cot is tough in every way, except the setup. This cot isn't just tough, it's TETON tough.
It's one thing to enjoy the outdoors. It's another to truly enjoy the outdoors. Turn the open air into your serene sanctuary with the folding camping cot from Alpcour. The Alpcour camping cot will give trekkers, campers, tailgaters, and beachgoers of all ages rest and relaxation anywhere. The camping cot is lightweight and portable, yet sturdy enough to comfortably hold up to 300 pounds of weight. And the premium polyester fabric is soft, breathable, double-layered, and water-resistant, while the cot opens and folds away in seconds. The camping cot comes with a pillow for added support, a side pocket to store your things, one carry bag for easy support, and a 1-year unlimited warranty. Roughing it doesn't have to mean restless, achy sleep. Let the clouds be your blanket while the world rests beneath you. Let an Alpcour camping cot comfort your adventures.
The HITORHIKE camping cot will get you off the hard rocky ground and back to a good night's rest. This lightweight package can fit in a hiking backpack for all of your outdoor treks. To assemble, connect the leg pieces together. Next, slide the support bars into the canvas. Starting with the center of the cot, insert one leg into the canvas hole. Push on the opposite side of the leg until it clips into place on the other support bar. Repeat for remaining legs. The thick nylon cloth is waterproof and holds weight up to 280 pounds. Disassembly is just as simple as the setup and can be easily stored when not in use. Whether using indoors or outdoors, sleep comfortably on this sturdy cot.
TETON Sports makes cots in a variety of sizes, however this is the smallest. It's as long as a twin-size mattress. The bed is made from heavy-duty 600D poly canvas and has a sturdy steel X-leg assembly and steel frame. It's high quality at an affordable price. It's portable and comes with a durable side-load carrying bag with shoulder strap. The Adventure Camp Cot is sturdy and holds up to 400 pounds, and setup is a breeze. Just pull the end bar and click into place. The Adventure Camp Cot is part of our collection of outdoor gear designed to give you the best base camp experience around. Compatible with the Adventure Camp Pad, cot organizer, gun sleeve, and cot understorage. You'll get a great night's sleep every time. Also makes a great extra bed for guests. This cot, along with all TETON products, comes with our limited lifetime warranty, which means we've got you covered. We have an awesome customer service team based here in the USA, and it's service you can count on to get you back outdoors and on the trail. And that's an introduction to the Adventure Camp Cot. Thanks for watching, get outdoors and enjoy life.